What's going on, guys? It's Steven56 here, and I have two hairdryers for you. And we will be unboxing one of them in this video, and the other one will be unboxing in the other video. So, we're gonna have a look at the Remington hairdryer, and put the bubbless one to the side here. And the other one has vanished. So let's make this the main one now. Just take a look around. It's got 2000 watts, a ceramic ionic grill. Sorry, my bad there. Power Drive 2000 hairdryer from Remington, of course, as you can see right there. And the box is fairly basic. I had to pick this up just now, so just gone back from the store. So yeah, I've got my crusty knife here. So we will start the unboxing. If I can get into it. What a great piece of work. What am I saying? But yeah, great piece of work there. Got right into it. Usually I actually love getting into packages, but let's make it short and snappy. I'll try anyway. So get the cellophane off. Whatever material it is. Yeah, getting the plastic off. And feel free to check out my iPad 4th generation unboxing. I will be picking up the iPad 5th generation, so stay tuned for that unboxing. Still trying to get this plastic off. It's hard work with one hand, please forgive me. I was gonna stand this up and put my iPad on the smart cover stand, but I thought that it would be better freehand, since you can cover more of the box this way. So yeah, it's pretty much off now. Get the box, give it a good shake, and we have reached success after some hard work. There you go. Look at the box there. Yeah. There you can see there, 2000 watt. So yeah, I will not be using this for myself. So he says. Let's get into the packaging now. This is my trusty knife. Sorry about the free hand. Now I'm just trying to figure out how to cut this. Actually, it might be easier to lay it down this way. Yeah, gonna just stab it. There we go. I think I got the job done there. Let's get it up. Make a bit of space since this is a new box. There we go. I need to stick the knife in. There we go. Okay, let's get into the box. I know it'll take a lot of time getting into the box, but what can you do, eh? There we go, we're into the box. And now it does not want to open. So on the side. Got it open. And all you get with this package, I believe, is the hairdryer itself. We've got that there, the package, and there isn't nothing else in the box, I believe. So we'll put the box to the side. And this is all the details. Let's put it better so you can see everything. There we go. Powerful 2000 watt dryer, ceramic ionic grill for even heat and anti-static. Eco setting using dryer on eco. Mid heat setting saves more energy than on high heat setting. 3 to 2 speed settings. Cool shot, concentrator, removable easy clean rear grill, and hang up loop. That's about it. And that's the box. So move that to the side. Get into the main stuff. Dryer, of course. I'm just trying to find my way to get into this, and I guess we're gonna have to bring the knife back, stab our way in. Maybe not. Get into the packaging here again. We're going to have to go through a lot of things here, as I think the hairdryer is sealed as well. Just try to get this through. Sorry guys, I'm taking my time, but I'm not really speedy one-handed, if you know what I mean. Right, so I've gotten it off the hairdryer. The hairdryer is trying to come through. Stretching the packaging. There we go. This is quite a streamlined design, not too bulky. It's quite light machine. I read the reviews on this, so. Oh, finally we have a result. It's finally out. It took some time. There's a focus on there. Remington written on there, and then power settings. Okay, take a look at that now. So it says eco there, and there is this is the fan setting and the heat setting over here. Just need to lift this up. Got 3 settings for each, 2 on one and 3 on the other one. So that's a look at the hairdryer itself. Nothing on this side. It's got some spiral and some heat things there, vents, and yeah, pretty much it. And there is another clip here. Take that out. Hope I don't take too long on that. There's the clip. I will demonstrate in just a second. Get the paperwork. Again, this is just the normal general paperwork that you see. There's Remington there, it's a bit bent. It's just paperwork, no one's really going to read that. Yeah, I'm really going to get a £10,000 prize draw. Yeah, right. Move that to the side. We have got the clip right here in this packaging here. Again, everything's packaged nearly separately. So it takes some time getting through, but this is a clip here itself, quite glossy and shiny. So we'll I believe you just screw it in, I think. There's a nozzle there. I have to get this quite hard one-handed, to be honest. Just put this. Oh my god, I'll take 1 year on this. Yup, you just screw it into place, like so. May even go the wrong way. Hold on, I think I'm missing something. You just push it into place, and it's ready to go. So Remington Performance. You'll do it in one direction, and you can move this around. So this pretty much concludes the unboxing. Thanks for watching, and this is Devon56 out.